Facebook remains the most used platform for marketers, with peak engagement times primarily during mid-mornings on weekdays. Instagram comes second with peak engagement times on weekdays between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., with Tuesdays and Wednesdays extending to 4 p.m. LinkedIn, a professional-focused platform, sees high engagement during midday on weekdays, especially on Tuesdays and Wednesdays between 10 a.m. and noon. TikTok, the youngest platform, shows peak engagement on weekdays, particularly on Tuesdays and Fridays from 4 to 6 p.m., and mid-mornings from 9 to 11 a.m. on Wednesdays and Thursdays.